Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix avatar glitch on Roblox. So if you're facing avatar loading problem or a glitch, then how can you fix it? I'll show you. First of all, you have to open a browser on your device, whether you are using mobile or a PC or iPad. Just go to roblox.com roblox.com. And now once you're here guys, you just need to go to in avatar from here. And now if your avatar doesn't open in your browser, you have to enable desktop mode from here and just tap on this request desktop website. Now once you're here guys, so if your Roblox is not loading, what you need to do, since you can see that my Roblox is not here, so you just need to tap on this redraw option to fix your problem. As you can see, my Roblox started loading now. So if you face such problem, you just need to tap on this reload. So basically what you need to do, you just need to open your browser and go to avatar editor in your browser and just tap on this redraw option to fix your issue. That's how you can fix it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.